English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. For last some years we had seen hundreds of finance companies, plantation companies mushrooming by way of collective investment. Same, I do not want to tell the names of the companies, but some of the companies were there with rupees 50 lakhs of paid up capital. Do you know how much money they have received? They received rupees 700 crores. The Honorable Finance Minister knows about this and something has been done. I understand now the SEBI is monitoring that. Please tighten this law. We cannot allow the poor small investors to lose their hard earned money and saving in those companies. I think you know what happened in Mumbai. I do not want to take anybody's name. I am trying to say that this is the time when close monitoring by the SEBI or other institution is done. There should be awareness amongst the investor about the credit rating in order to keep a control or check on those companies. The credit rating agencies should be asked to give a public credit rating. If a company has a bad rating, the credit rating agency say that the company has got a credit rating of Siemens and nobody should buy. We must educate our investors. They should not be allowed to sell their shares. I understand most of those who were cheated were the small and poor investors in big cities and small towns who sold their assets. When we tested the nuclear device, there was an announcement by America about the sanctions against us. Even now, nobody knows whether the loan and assistance to India from the other agencies like the World Bank, ADB, IBRD will also get affected. I understood this as I read from the report that the World Bank in those 2 weeks had postponed twice the loans which were to be sanctioned to India. I had been to Washington. I am told when it come to actual voting and if America, Japan and one more countries votes against the proposal, then India would not get back. This will have a very disastrous effect on our economy. I am sure you know about it.